Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox the MOVO Handheld Wireless Microphone Holder. It's a wireless mic holder. So, when you see those professional news anchors, they're out there and they talk to somebody, then they pass it back and forth and say, hey, how you doing? And then they ask them another question. And do that kind of thing. Well, this is one way that we can kind of cheat to make it happen. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you how we use it. Now on the box, it does say that you have a 2-year warranty, which is really nice. There's a lot of advertisement, a lot of more advertisement, exactly what it is, and of course it is model number WMX-HM. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Nice. Looks like we have the MOVO handheld wireless microphone for the WMX2 wireless mini lingo and similar wireless transmitters. Ooh. And kind of tells you how to set it up. Looks like it has customer service phone numbers, emails, all that good stuff. Set that to the side. Ooh, MOVO happy. Ooh, MOVO not happy. This kind of, more customer service numbers. Act now to include a 1-year limited warranty. And if you register the product within 30 days, you'll receive an additional 1-year extension. Ooh, so that's how you get the 2-year. Now you have, this little bitty little foam. Pop filter, I guess you can call it. And you have a black one, a bigger black one, a bigger blue one, a bigger orange one. Ooh, there's still more stuff in here. A sticker. MOVO creators wanted. Okay. And now, on the back side, we have the stick itself. All right, so how do you use this thing? Well, all you have to do is on the transmitter right here, you'll see all kinds of ridges. And on the top ridge, there is like 3 little indentations in there. And if you notice on the MOVO transmitter, underneath, you'll see 3 little spikes. That just kind of goes right in there. And it bites right on there. Look at that. Now you can also put it all the way down if you wish. If you want a little bit more of an extension, you can do that. Now, speaking of extension, if you look on the bottom, you see it has a little thread here. So you can put that on a tripod if you wish. So you can put that like a little mini tripod even. And look at that. Hello, testing 1, 2. And you can even pop on a pop filter, just like that. And now you have yourself a microphone. Tell you what, it's not showing up real well on the video. So let's put the orange one on there. Stick out like a sore thumb. There you go. Awesome. And there you have it. If you want to pick it up and talk to somebody, say, hello, how you doing today? Oh, really? And what's your opinion of ABC? And what would you like to say to my viewers? This is going to be fun. I hope that helped. So in the future, when you see me using this thing, you know where it came from and what it's used for. And as always, have a great day. This is going to be so fun.